Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anson, and I'm from Group A7. This is my group member, and I will represent our group to do the presentation. For our group, we select the heat treatment for scalpel, a recipe for strengthness and durability. Heat treatment is a term used to describe a range of industrial, thermal, and metallurgical operations that are used to change the physical and occasionally chemical quality of a material. The heat treatment method can change the electrical resistance, magnetism, hardness, toughness, ductility, brittleness, and corrosion resistance of the metal. Generally, heat treatment got three steps. Step one is heating, where the metal is heated according to the predetermined thermal profile. During this process, the microstructure of alloy will change. Microstructure is the internal structure of the metal where we cannot see it through our eyes. The second step is holding, where the metal is kept at a given temperature for a set amount of time. The third step is cooling, where a control rate of cooling is applied to the metal. The rate of cooling will affect the final product of the metal. For the purpose of heat treatment on a scalpel, heat treatment is crucial for hardened, tempered stainless steel and high carbon steel to be harder and sharper. It allows the scalpel to make precise incision or cuts in biological tissue during medical procedures. The sharpness of the blade allows clean and accurate cutting, minimizing tissue trauma and promoting faster healing. Means that with sharper scalpel, the doctor can cut the tissue easier and more accurate so that the patient will get recovery easily. For the method used in heat treatment, there is four methods: annealing, quenching, austenitizing, and tempering. For tempering, the steel will be heated in its critical point temperature and then will be air cooled to increase the toughness of tempering is to increase the toughness of certain steel, most commonly iron-based alloy like steel, and tempering can be said it is among the best method for steel, the heat treatment of steel. So tempering is normally used in the manufacturing of in heat treatment of bolts, nuts, and knife. Tempering also have another benefit, which it will increase the magnetic and electrical property of the steel. For quenching, the steel is heated to a required temperature and quickly cooled by immerse it in a quenching medium. The reason why we need to cool it quickly is to prevent the formation of microstructure in the steel. Quenching medium is substance to quench steel during heat treating process, and the example of quenching medium is gases, water, oil, and brine. And gases is the most common quenching medium, for example, argon and helium. For austenitizing, steel and ferrous alloy are heated above their critical temperature. Austenitizing is used to transform them into required shape and provide strength, and the working temperature is around 400 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius. A proper microstructure and full hardness of steel will be achieved when austenitizing temperature is achieved. For annealing, heat treatment process alter microstructure of material to change its mechanical and electrical properties. Annealing is used to reduce the hardness, increase ductility, and help to eliminate the internal stress in the steel. The heating process causes the atom to migrate in crystal lattice, and the number of dislocation reduced, which change the ductility and hardness of the steel. Scalpel is used in different sector, is applied in different sector, for example, biomechanical engineering sector, aerospace industry sector, and electronic manufacturing sector. For example, in aerospace industry sector, scalpel is used to cut and trim the delicate materials such as composite, carbon fiber, and aluminum. As a conclusion, the exact point in history when heat treatment was first applied to scalpel is unknown, yet many current scalpel are heat treated as part of the manufacturing process. Heat treatment procedure is just one of the many manufacturing techniques of scalpel. Nowadays, there is a lot of newer manufacturing process. For example, coating the blade with zinc chromium nitrate to improve the sharpness and edge retention of a scalpel, or coating the blade with a polymer to improve the lubricity during a cut. So the precise manufacturing method varies based on the type of scalpel and its intended usage. Thank you.